Hey everyone, it's Mike with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured truck is a 2026 Ford F-250 Lariat Powerstroke diesel powered 4x4. Our technicians went big on this one by installing some top-of-the-line off-road upgrades. This setup gives this truck an extremely aggressive look while maintaining a great ride both on and off-road. This truck includes a professionally painted, color-matched chrome delete, 5-inch BDS radius arm lift kit, 24-inch KG1 forged gloss black wheels, and 37-inch Toyo trail grappler tires. Now with locations in Arizona, Texas, Alabama, and Tennessee, we have over 1,000 trucks, SUVs, and Broncos to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this truck or any others, log on to liftedtrucks.com. That's liftedtrucks.com.